This 2024 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 coupe has only 44 miles on the odometer. It's finished in Summit White over jet black leather and microsuede and is powered by a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 linked with a 10-speed automatic transmission and electronic limited slip differential. This vehicle features the 1LE Extreme Track Performance Package. The supercharged 6.2-liter LT4 V8 was factory rated at 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque, and it comes with a factory dual-mode exhaust system. The 19-inch forged alloy wheels are mounted with Goodyear Eagle F1 tires. This car came equipped from the factory with performance suspension. Stopping power is provided by red ZL1-branded Brembo multi-piston calipers over ventilated front and rear discs. The car is finished in Summit White and features a front splitter and dive planes, HID headlights, a black hood and side mirrors, a carbon fiber hood insert, a carbon fiber rear wing, factory tinted taillights, and quad exhaust outlets. The heated and ventilated power-adjustable Recaro front seats and contoured rear bench are trimmed in jet black leather and suede microfiber featuring red stitching. The suede-wrapped flat-bottom steering wheel features paddle shifters, framing a central digital display, a 200-mile-per-hour speedometer, and a tachometer with a 6,500 RPM red line, as well as supplementary gauges for voltage, oil pressure, coolant temperature, and fuel level. A heads-up display projects critical information onto the windshield. The vehicle's amenities include keyless entry, driver position memory, dual-zone automatic climate control, and a Chevrolet Infotainment 3+ system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. All of this linked to a Bose sound system. The window sticker, owner's manuals, battery charger, and car cover are included with the sale of this vehicle. The Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 is not your ordinary muscle car. It redefines expectations with its remarkable handling, precise steering, and a powertrain that delivers breathtaking performance. This modern-day muscle car is a highly sought-after vehicle for collectors and car enthusiasts, so don't wait if you want to add it to your collection. For more information, contact LRA today at 215-781-3790 or email us at sales@lrasales.com to learn more about this gorgeous 2024 Camaro ZL1 1LE.